Yeah, it's going to be another warm one today. Not that bad. Not that bad. We've had 38. We haven't hit 40. We haven't got to 40, but we've got close in the last couple of days. So, all right, well, we'll just put the car in the shade. That's what I came out to do. I've already done 5 kilometers walking this morning. I think that's enough. And we'll just stick this one over here in the shade where it's safe from all the heat, and if we have to go out, we'll get into a relatively cool car. Yes, we've had a bit of a struggle with this TV over here. The reason being, this TV has a remote, and on the remote you can see where it says Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Google Play. And I was trying to work out how to use them. Then you got to reload all your passwords and things in to get this thing to work with the computer again. It took about 2 hours to get the thing to start working again. Our kids would have it working in 5 minutes, but you know, it's me. What I do have is this that I did get, and this wasn't particularly expensive. It's a Behringer. Don't laugh. It actually works quite well. And the thing of it is, with my mixer that I had, this is a voiceover box. I mean, you plug your microphone in, you got your headphones, and that plugs into the computer. It's a plug and play job, and you can do voiceovers on videos, which I've been doing on the last couple. I've done a couple of voiceovers. It's good. The mixer that I used to have died, and I left it on too long, and it got too hot, and it just melted. With this one, you can leave it hooked up, and when you turn your computer on, it comes on too, and all that, and it doesn't get hot. So that's terrific. And I just put it down on top of the box right there. You can't see that. I'll just show you just down here. There it is, sitting on top of the computer. Yeah, it works fine. Didn't cost the earth, and it's something that I needed. We're sitting in Aldi's car park, and it's raining. We had 38 degrees yesterday. Mrs. Max just grabbing the bags, and she's off because it's raining right now. So we'll come back, and what we'll do is we'll check the price of fuel in here in Wodonga at 7-Eleven. It was $1.77 last week. This week it's $1.85.9. Okay, and we haven't checked APCO yet, which I'll do that when we come back from shopping. Okay, we're just checking out the price of fuel at APCO in Wodonga, and it is $1.67.9. Aldi, as far as I know, don't sell fuel.
No, they don't.
No. But anyway, we've got $1.67 as opposed to $1.85. That's amazing.
It is.
Yeah, this is what it's like as we got home. It is raining. 38 degrees yesterday, and today rain, and 22 right now, 22 degrees out there. Now 6:15 in the evening. And you see how dark it is. The automatic lights come on, and that is hosing. It hasn't been quite like this all afternoon, but it got very, very humid and manky. But this is, well, this is the land of drought and flooding rains, and this is the epping rains for sure. Yeah, it's dry again in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock now, and I want to show you this because it's just unbelievable the amount of water we had. We got 53 millimeters in 12 hours roughly in our gauge. Down at the ford, this was dry on Sunday, and it's as full as it's ever been, even in midwinter. Have a look. It's crazy, but there you go. And we'll end this vlog here. Look, if you like all this carry on, like, subscribe, share, do all that. That'd be fantastic. And we'll catch up with you in our next video. See ya.